Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you have been keeping an eye on the job market, you know that tech is always evolving and staying on top of the right tools is key to landing those software jobs. Today, we are talking about the ultimate tech stack for software jobs in 2025. So whether you're trying to level up your skills, switching to a new stack, or just curious about what's trending, this video is for you. Let's get into it. Before we dive into specifics, let's talk about why choosing the right tech stack matters. Your tech stack is essentially the tools, programming languages, frameworks, and databases you use to build software. In 2025, the right stack can make or break your career. Companies are looking for developers who are skilled in the tools that are driving innovation, and knowing what's in demand is crucial. And trust me, we are not just talking about the latest framework or languages here. It's about building a stack that's both powerful and versatile, one that opens doors to opportunities across the entire software development ecosystem. Alright, let's kick things off with front-end development. The front end is all about user experience, making sure the user-facing part of your app is not only functional but also beautiful and intuitive. So what's hot in 2025? Let's start with React. It's been dominating the front-end world for years, and in 2025, it's still a must-know. React allows you to build dynamic, responsive user interfaces efficiently. With its component-based architecture and huge ecosystem, React is still the go-to choice for modern web development. If you are already familiar with React, Next.js is the framework you should dive into. With server-side rendering and static site generation, it makes React app faster and more SEO friendly. In 2025, Next.js is the way forward for building production-ready React app. Now let's talk about design. Tailwind CSS is the utility-first CSS framework that makes building responsive design super easy. Forget the bloat of traditional CSS frameworks. With Tailwind, you get to build custom designs quickly without compromising performance. Moving on to the backend, the engine that powers your application. In 2025, the backend is about scalability, speed, and reliability. So what are the top tools to know? First up is Node.js. This runtime environment allows you to run JavaScript on the server side. Why is it so important? Because it's fast. It has a massive ecosystem, and with full stack JavaScript, you can unify your front end and back end code base. In 2025, Node.js is still powering some of the largest applications in the world. If you're more into Python, Django is your best friend. It's a high-level framework that makes building secure, scalable web apps super fast. Plus, its batteries included approach means you get a lot of built-in functionalities right out of the box. In 2025, Python continues to be the go-to language for everything from web apps to data science. Now, if you're thinking high performance applications or need something scalable, you need to check out Go or Golang. It's lightweight, fast, and designed for concurrent programming. Companies like Google, Uber, Dropbox use Go because it's great for building scalable, high-performance systems. It's definitely on the rise in 2025. Next up, we have databases. Your app needs somewhere to store data, and the right database can be a game changer. So what's in demand? Postgres is a robust, open source relational database that's been around for decades. And in 2025, it's still the go-to choice for most developers. It's highly extensible, supports complex queries, and is perfect for building data-intensive apps. For those who prefer NoSQL, MongoDB is a top choice. It's a document-oriented database that stores data in flexible JSON-like documents, making it super easy to scale and manage. For real-time apps, IoT, or e-commerce systems, MongoDB continues to be a favorite in 2025. Okay, while technically not a database, GraphQL is an API query language that's changing the way we interact with databases. Instead of making multiple REST API calls, GraphQL allows you to fetch exactly the data you need with a single request. It's super efficient and highly favored for modern applications. Let's talk about DevOps and cloud technologies. In 2025, DevOps is more critical than ever, and automation, continuous integration, and deployment are the norms. Docker allows you to package your applications and their dependencies in containers. It's the standard for shipping apps and makes deployments much more reliable. Whether you're working on microservices or full stack apps, Docker is a must know. If you want to scale your app across thousands of servers, you need Kubernetes. This container orchestration platform is perfect for managing microservices-based architectures. It handles things like load balancing, scaling, and updates automatically. When it comes to cloud computing, AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud platforms are the big players. In 2025, nearly every company is hosting their apps in the cloud. Knowing how to work with one or more of these platforms is essential if you want to stay competitive. And there you have it, the ultimate tech stack for software jobs in 2025. Whether you're focused on front end development, back end, databases, or DevOps, these tools are game changers that will help you land your next big role. The tech world moves fast, but with the right skills, you will always be ahead of the curve. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow devs. Also, drop a comment below which tech stack you are most excited to learn in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy coding!